Hello, I'm Olivia.
I'm Amelia.
And today we were doing a dance team makeup tutorial.
This is legit, guys. So
Yeah.
if you don't have these products, you have to go buy them.
Okay. You choose your foundation. And there's
Make sure it matches your skin perfectly.
Yeah, we have a bunch of different colors here, so.
It's the same shade. Why do you have two of them?
I actually have 3.
No, that's a different shade. That's
Okay. Take a little bit and just dab it all around your face like this. Yeah?
Ooh.
Do you want to use a brush or a sponge?
Oh, that really matches, guys.
You know, this is just a tutorial, so of course it's not going to be perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
But come competition, it better be.
Yes, we're checking you all. You're just going to blend it all.
Oh.
You're looking great. Okay. Oh, Paige is here, by the way, dance team.
Yep.
This is going on the North Stars YouTube.
It actually is, so.
Okay, good.
Put your foundation on your eyelids for a little primer.
Like for
you
your
do it
eyes.
with your concealer.
Yeah, but this is the
No, you do it with your concealer, not your foundation.
No.
Primer.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does matter.
Don't listen to her. She doesn't know what she's talking
Guys,
about.
I feel like I know so much more about makeup. Okay, it goes primer, foundation.
We didn't do that.
Concealer. Concealer.
Powder.
Then you put powder on under your eyes to bake under your eyes because that's what creases and slips around. Then you put bronzer.
Listen, no. This video, an eyeshadow brush and just jab it in.
Okay,
You're
so
gonna ruin your makeup.
use your fingers to rub in your concealer.
And then you're gonna take powder. I use CoverGirl. Amelia's gonna use Fit Me.
I
Yeah.
have to pee so bad.
And you're just gonna take it and you're just gonna like rub it and you're just gonna,
Use the brush and like.
yeah, you don't have to use a brush if you don't want to.
I mean, I guess you could
Really
use
blend
your
it, you know. Are we looking pale?
a little bit.
A little
It's
bit.
okay.
These colors are a little pale for
But, like,
us. And you're gonna add bronzer, and I like bronzer because it makes me.
No, that's how we like it on dance.
We like it like this. Like,
Okay,
You
I'm
have
using
sharp,
the same
sharp
brush.
cheekbones. Make sure you really get that jawline.
So
And the nose contour.
oh,
like
yeah.
that.
You want to do like a line.
and then down here.
Oh, and don't forget your forehead.
Actually, you should make a 3.
Well, I look good. My cheek bone is very highlighted.
We
Okay.
can put highlight on
Now you take some blush and you just get a lot because Yonki loves blush.
Yes, she will always be like more blush, more blush.
Yes. So you take a bunch and then you just go. And then you add more because you can never have too much blush.
Okay, I need that brush.
can never have too much makeup.
True. So and like if someone takes your brush, you're literally just gonna like take your finger.
Like honestly, you should look like a clown right now.
Do you see us? Like
Like no, we look too pretty to be clowns.
if you don't look like a clown, I'll add more to your face.
So like this. More for Olivia.
Okay, let me add more. Okay, ready? I'm really gonna like paint this on.
Eating my fries.
This is never enough, guys.
Never enough. Never enough.
Sometimes you can add it to your nose.
Actually,
Never
oh, I really like to do it on the tip of my nose to give me a little sunburn look.
Olivia, where's that?
It's time for eyeshadow.
You start with white and you just get a bunch, and you just take it
Where are
and you
your
just
brushes?
rub it all over your eye. Yeah? Yeah. Ew. Like smacking.
Thank you for tuning in to our ASMR.
Then you're gonna
Wait,
Put
I'm gonna
your-
do one of Amelia's eyes.
put your crease.
Are you one of Amelia's?
No.
Sometimes we take a little bit lighter than that, but
it's
still
just on my
dark,
fries.
and we go all the way up to our brow.
Oh my god.
Like this. Alright?
Guys, Paige's makeup is not good, so
Yeah.
don't even look
I
at
think
it.
it looks pretty good.
No. I like ours better.
I like ours better. Don't forget to go all the way up. Eyebrows. So.
Guys, just saying, this is not a joke. Like, this is how we're doing our makeup. Just pat it
Between
on.
here's an eyebrow, there's an eyebrow. See the difference?
Sometimes I just like to pat it on with my fingers. It's much easier that way, so... See, it just applies, like, so much better. It's blended.
Well, let's see.
I'm just gonna
So you guys have to go buy this.
like drop it onto my face. And look at that glow.
But don't make it so you look sweaty, because that's kind of nasty. Because dancers don't sweat.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Sparkle.
Now for the cat. So like,
Make it like so you're kind of goth.
that's what I was thinking.
Like a little emo, but
Amelia, here comes the airplane.
Like something like this is like
They're
what we're
kinda cold.
expecting. If you like get like this little gap, like fill it in.
Oh,
lipstick tie.
Sometimes we do
Okay,
black for
this-
like hip hop, like a little spice it up.
That's like our emo look, guys.
I'm doing the hip hop look.
Okay, this isn't really going on my lips because, you know, we don't invest in the best, but it's fine. And it's okay if you go outside the lines on your lipstick because, like,
we want you to.
It's
You need
fine.
to break the barrier.
like color outside the lines a little, guys. Be creative. Oh my god, it looks so good.
I can't wait to do all your makeup this year.
But some of you guys can just follow this tutorial instead.
Yeah, but I'm too good at makeup. The eyebrows are looking sharp. The eyeshadow is killing it. The eyeliner is like, oh, girl.
glowing.
The lipstick, oh. Love you all.
I love you guys.
Signing off.
Best DT year ever.
I have to say bye.
Look at UTIs.